Hey my Gators, the single mom versus the fixer-upper back with another crock pot meal, and these are all the items that you are going to need, and I'm going to go through it with you, but I'll leave all the ingredients below. This is a tasty loaded tater casserole. You have the onions. I put them in the pot with the sausage and I cook them together. Put a little pepper. You don't want to put a lot of seasoning because you're gonna have seasonings in the ranch and the cheese as well. So I oil the crock pot. Then I'm gonna put my taters, just a layer of taters down. And then I'm gonna take my bacon that I cut up. And then we're going to put on top of the bacon some cheddar, guys. Yes, some cheddar. So we're gonna put a layer of cheddar. Then we're gonna add our sausage, smooth on some sour cream, mix the ranch and the almond milk together, whisk it, and then we're going to put another layer of tots, cheese, and bacon, and that is it. Then you add the ranch, just pour it on over, and guys, that is a quick and easy meal. I hope you like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, thumbs up, and make sure to look in the description box for all the details. This was amazing. Later, Gators.